Hi, Roy Roberts here, and I'm going to do an unboxing of my 2019 Apollo 11 50th anniversary commemorative coin. I just picked this up today, and I'm just going to remove the outer cover. US Mint box, and of course your Apollo 11 Commemorative Coin Program booklet that comes with your coin, basically your certificate of authenticity. Now for the coin. Uh-oh, where is my coin? That's not good. I missed April 1st. I missed April Fool's Day, so as long as it's still April. But actually, it's a little better. Instead of buying a coin and then sending it out to have it slabbed, I actually was able to pick up one all ready to go. Got a Proof 70 Ultra Cameo from NGC. So of course, the amazing part is a lot of times when people sell these, they actually lose the book and box that it came in originally after they get a slab. I actually was able to get the graded coin, and the person still had the box that it came in. So I got the best of both worlds. I really like this coin. It's pretty big. I haven't figured out exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm sure wherever I'll put it, you know, it'll be a nice little conversation piece. Has anyone else out there had theirs, sent theirs out and had it graded? Or give me your opinions on what you think about grading bullion, positive and negative. This is something I normally probably wouldn't have gotten graded, but since I got a pretty decent deal on it and picked it up already ready to go, kind of couldn't walk away from it. So please like and subscribe. I know I haven't posted anything in a while, but I'll probably be posting a lot of things and a lot of my finds. It'll either be silver, gold, watches, and fountain pens. Please, if you got a minute, like and subscribe or comment, and let me know what you think. Hey, you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you in the next video.